Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix EA Sports FC26 cannot or doesn't work on a controller. So on your Steam, go ahead and click on the left corner and then click on settings. On settings, find controller and advanced settings. On the advanced settings, go ahead and find enabled Steam input. Go ahead and disable that if it is currently enabled. Now, after that, go ahead and exit out it and go to your game. On your game, go ahead and right click on it and then click on properties. Go ahead and click on controllers and make sure to try enable Steam input only on the game, not the entire Steam settings as well. So for this, you can go ahead and do vice versa, disable and run the game and then enable, disable after the game. If it works, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in the next video.